Hello students, welcome again. We are starting the new chapter, The Woman Changed the World. Now this chapter relates with people's belief about the woman. Now we'll discuss it, we'll start this chapter with various types of stereotypes in the society. Now see, many people believe that women make better nurses because they are more gentle, they are patient, ठीक है ना, and this is linked with the woman's role within the family. Similarly, it is believed that the engineering, it requires technical skills, and of course women, they are not believed to be fit for these technical jobs, ठीक है ना, and because the society thinks that technical jobs are better fit for the men. So by reading this chapter, you people will understand the common stereotypes in men and women. Also you will learn about the struggle of women in different spheres of life, how they challenge this discrimination. Clear? So firstly, we should know the common stereotypes in our society. Now so I have just told you that firstly we should know our society. In our society, what type of common stereotypes are there? Like the jobs, in occupation, women are not fit for the technical jobs, ठीक है ना, women are fit for doing the jobs like nursing and teaching. In family also, you see that people generally say that girls play with dolls and boys play with cars. You know, so how these types of stereotypes they emerge? To understand it better, see in your books, beta. These are some activities given. Now see the activities. What does work? Who does what work? So you in these blanks you have to form the pictures of a farmer, a factory worker, a nurse, a scientist, a pilot, a teacher. ठीक है ना, and you have to choose the category also. Like you will form a male image or a female image. Like in teacher, when you think the image of a teacher, so you will form male or female image. It depends on you. Farmer, factory worker, nurse, scientist, pilot. So here is one activity done by a teacher in her class, and she come out of these observations. Rosie ma'am's class has 30 children and she did the exercise, and these are the results. So teacher, the male images, it comes out to be 5. 5 people thought that their teacher a male teacher, so they draw the image of a male teacher, and 25 students they thought it as a female image, ठीक है ना. And farmer 30, because many of the people think that the farmer's job is done only by the males, so none of them have the image of female in their mind. Factory workers, the same thing, male images 25 and 5 female images. Nurse, 0 image of male and 30 female images. Then scientist 25 and 5, and pilot, again same thing, 27 male images and 3 female images. So this shows that the expectations from the society about the work or the occupation are set. Now we have to think for the same thing, that how these stereotypes they emerge in the society. Clear?